We're heading off. We said goodbye to Carriacou. The wind really picked up now and it's getting super choppy. I'm an island boy!
I'm an island boy! I haven't officially checked in, but this is how you check in here. You go to some lady at the office.
Hello! We bought an old abandoned catamaran, spent 2 years rebuilding her, and embarked on a 7,000-mile journey across the Atlantic Ocean to our dream cruising grounds, the beautiful Caribbean.
Subscribe below and follow the adventure as we explore our way up the Caribbean chain of islands to the beautiful Bahamas.
We're heading off. We said goodbye to Carriacou and we're heading off to Union, but we have to wait to get our COVID results. So we're going to stop at Petit Martinique and anchor off there for a bit and wait for that stuff to come through, and then we'll head off to Union. But we're pretty excited to be going to a new place. We did pretty much a lot of Carriacou, so it's good to be on to the next place and exploring the next island, making our way up north slowly but surely.
New anchorage, new day, new anchorage. Gotta keep on moving.
Keep on moving, you're not a tree.
Move, you're not a tree.
Move, you are not a tree.
If you don't like where you are, move, you are not a tree.
Upon spending time with Regina and James, our Dean twins on SV and Joy and Carriacou, we decided to buddy boat St Vincent and the Grenadines with them. Buddy boating is always nice because it means you're guaranteed a friend in the anchorage. So why haven't you put sails up?
Wind, where we need to go.
The wind is right.
And I don't want to play zigzag the whole day.
We hate zigzagging.
I don't want to change a 1 hour sail in 1 hour motor into a 7 hour sail when we're going to be doing it for the next, I don't know, 1,000 miles to get to the Bahamas. There'll be lots of sailing coming up.
Our other Deanie friends they lifted anchor. They're also coming with us. We're going to be buddy boating for a while together, which is cool. D number 1 racing, D number 2. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? The wind really picked up now and it's getting super choppy now here on the ocean, so he just started up the second engine just to make a little more headway so it's more comfortable for us. But the Dean that's next to us and Joy, James and Regina, like now we can see how our boat looks underway, and man does she like come out of the water and just slam. So yeah, these Deans are cool and stuff, but they slam us. Sure.
We're doing 5 knots.
What's the wind speed?
25 knots.
25 knots? I thought so. I said 20. 25 knots. Right on the nose. Over there you have Petit Martinique. Over there you have St Vincent. I have to scream because the wind is blowing.
What's wrong with you?
You don't know if you're gonna hear it or not.
You'll probably hear it.
We dropped anchor, but we dropped anchor in a cross current. So we're going all sorts of directions, but our anchor's holding, seems. so we'll see. You think we're gonna stay here or what?
I think we'll stay here, but I think I'm gonna bring up the bridle and just give it a ton of scope until we just get off that ledge there. And I think once we get off that ledge, the current won't play so much of a role.
While diving the anchor, we saw this little fella hanging out. It motivated us to get in the dinghy and go diving. This whole island here is like
Super nice.
super beautiful. It is stunning, but it's super expensive and it's like private, and people come here to like get away.
Not private, to another round. South African fish finder.
We started with diving Petit St Vincent. We didn't see much apart from some rays.
Going through that cut's like the fastest we've ever gone. It would be we full on planing. Look at that.
There's a bunch of stingrays, but not a lot of fish. We headed towards the middle of both the islands to see if the diving was any better. Don't forget to subscribe below if you haven't already, and click on the notification bell to alert you when we upload a new episode, and like this video as well as share it with your friends and family. It's a free way you can support our channel. After our little dive excursion, we headed off to shore to explore the small island of Petit Martinique. So where are we at right now, babes?
Where are we at?
Yeah, where are we at?
Where are we at? We at Petit Martinique. It's part of Grenada. It's 2 islands above Grenada, so you get, or 3 islands, or a couple of islands, you know. There's a whole bunch of little ones, we don't count them. But you get Carriacou, and then this is the last island before we bounce over to Union Island, and we decided to stop here to come check the island out and explore a little bit this area. Tomorrow we're going to go to that little beach, what's it called?
Mopian.
Mopian. And then we're going to go there for the morning, hopefully kiteboard a little bit, and then we head out to Union Island. And actually be the first time we can actually sail. We're gonna have a sailing angle, so that'll be good. We'll sail out of there. A little bit of a squall coming through, and that's why the bay looks all choppy and like that. So it picked up like really quickly. So our friends are on their boat now. They got a little baby, so they gotta just hold it out a little bit, and then they'll come here. And we're taking a little shelter at this little bar.
It's more like a workshop now, but
I think this used to be a bar once upon a time.
yeah. It took us about an hour to explore the island by foot. Had a pretty rolly ride last night over here. It's not very sheltered, but I managed to sleep. Ricky, did you sleep? A
I was tired enough.
Yeah, we made sure we were super tired, and then went to bed. But so we're leaving to St Vincent and the Grenadines today. First stop Union Island, but we're gonna, on our way there, we're going to stop at a little sandy patch called Mopian and see how that is. Supposedly it's really cool and the snorkeling's fun there, so we'll check it out. If not, and it's not cool, we'll just head on over to Union and go exploring. They said they have all our paperwork ready for check-in, and we just need to... Do we have to grab a mooring board?
They said we can anchor, we don't have to pay for the overnight mooring anymore.
Really? That's sweet.
Pay $23.
Yeah, it's $23 per night, so if we're gonna have to pay that, that's a bonus. Super excited to be in the next country and make our way up north. So we were anchored here with these like old school super yachts. They look like Titanic ships, mini Titanics. with the coal. What do you call those things? Smokestacks. There we go.
They just, well, they're not original, obviously. These are rebuilt.
Okay, so they have smokestacks, but I think it's just for show to make it look like that. But it still looks pretty cool because it looks like a little Titanic. That's Titanic 2, and that's Titanic 1 because it only has one smokestack. Ciao, Petit St Vincent.
Bye bye, the last
Ciao, ciao, Petit Martinique, the lost of Grenada.
I'm trying to hold on to all the things that we did right.
Amount of rainbows we've experienced since we left Carriacou is crazy. I think this is like my 5th rainbow I've seen, and then yesterday we had a double rainbow. It was really cool. I love rainbows. I don't know, it makes me feel lucky. Like something good, like good is coming. This is in the start of 2022 and I'm seeing so many rainbows, so maybe it's a good sign. Maybe it's going to be a good year for us. I hope so. Hopefully it's a good year for everyone else too.
Look at the rainbow.
I know. So we're here at Mopian Island. Got our dive gear ready. We're gonna go check it out. It's a tiny little beach. I expected it to be a lot bigger, but it ain't. But super keen to see it. Ricky's just diving the anchor, making sure she's safe and well.
Since my heart has never stopped bleeding, all that I can see is that I lost you.
Oh, look at the cute little beach.
Looking for a reason to forgive you. Sometimes I even wanna be with you, just the way you say that it's alright.
Ricky's making me hold the the dinghy so we can drain the water out of it.
I am tearing down this wall.
Got the little island all to ourselves. Pretty cool. I'm an island boy.
I'm an island boy.
Island boy, and I've been trying to make.
I'm an
I'm an
island
island boy. I'm a just island boy.
Tears run dry, but I'm still here looking for your face.
Snorkeling here kind of made us feel like we were snorkeling in one giant aquarium.
Had drowned. It wasn't like we didn't work hard enough. I'm trying to hold on to all the things that we did right. But how could I forget about you leaving?
And as usual, Ricky was on the hunt to find some bugs.
All that I can see is that I lost you then. I'm looking for a reason to forgive you. Sometimes I even wanna be with you, just the way you say that.
We did find some bugs, but they were still babies, so we decided to leave them.
I am tearing down this wall.
After exploring this cute little island of Mopian, we headed off to Union Island.
How could I forget about you leaving? Since my heart has never stopped bleeding.
We're sailing, we're sailing, we're sailing Ricardo, cause I always sail.
Light wind sailing. It's
Light-
really light wind. I think we're 12 knots, 12, 13 knots apparently.
It's such an irritant to put up the sails, but then it's like, oh, it's so nice. Well, it's not irritating putting up the sails when it's light wind, but when it's like hectic winds, it gets a little gnarly.
Didn't even feel like putting sails, and now we put sails and we're sailing and I'm like, oh yeah, should have done that long ago.
Remember why you like sailing and not motoring.
Get reminded again.
I'm tearing down this wall.
4.7 knots SOG with 13 knots apparent. Going upwind with a swell against us on this old lady. I'll take it any day.
Engineer, where are you headed?
Okay. Just trying to get us a little anchorage spot in the quarantine zone. Trying to figure out where that is. We were asked to come ashore to clear into the country. It was pretty quick and easy as we mailed through all our paperwork and COVID tests the day before.
Promised that she'd marry Mr. Can we leave there?
I'm officially checked in, but this is how you check in here. You go to some lady at the office.
Hello!
You give them all your documents. And she says, come back in an hour. Go have a drink. Like, okay. But luckily we don't have to do COVID tests again.
Yeah. Because we're vaccinated. Hello there, little cat.
Come home with me. You become my beef.
It's like gnats.
Lord, to pay my fare. Gotta get this train.
It was pretty cool to see a little solar panel farm on the island.
Waiting for me. Well, the night is dark, and Lord, it's cloudy.
Oi. Hey.
Maybe we can
Guten
walk.
Tag. Guten Tag. Guten Tag.
I've been traveling that lonesome road. My one true love, waiting there to see. Won't that low train carry me back?
Once we checked in, it was time for a welcome drink before we head off to the next bay. Stay tuned till next week as we explore St Vincent and the Grenadines and visit some pretty magical places.
And they left Columbus around 7. Oh, Lord, they hit Louisville.
Don't forget to subscribe below if you haven't already and give this video a big thumbs up. See you guys next week.